How ordinals are formed from the cardinals in German by adding TE. For example, in English, 10 becomes 10th. Likewise, in German, Zehn becomes Zehnter. So if you observe the table, the cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are changing to Erster, Erster, Zweiter, Zweiter, Dritter, Dritter, Vierter, Vierter, Fünfter, Fünfter, Sechster, Sechster, Siebter, Siebter, Achter, Achter, Neunter, Neunter, Zehnter, Zehnter, Elfter, Elfter, Zwölfter, Zwölfter, and so on. Here, remember not to use the ordinal form of numbers when writing the complete date. For example, January 15th is the date for the examination. However, you may use the ordinal suffixes if you use only the date. Mind you, only the date. The 15th is the date for the examination. Compare, January 15 is the date for the examination. Removing January, the sentence becomes, the 15th is the date for the examination. Now, the following table presents the symbols used for basic mathematics. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, mal for multiplication, geteilt or dividiert durch for division, equal to, ist gleich, greater than, ist größer als, less than, ist kleiner als, 3 to the power of 2, 3 hoch 2, 3 hoch 2. Now that you already know the numbers in German, let's do some simple maths. The question is, we feel means how much? Wie viel ist 9 plus 9? I repeat, wie viel ist 9 plus 9? How much is 9 plus 9? So the answer, 9 plus 9 ist 18. 9 plus 9 ist 18. Second question. Wie viel ist 20 minus 6? Wie viel ist 20 minus 6? How much is 20 minus 6? 20 minus 6 ist gleich 14. 20 minus 6 ist gleich 14. That means it's equal to. Number 3. Wie viel ist 70 mal 2? Wie viel ist 70 mal 2? How much is 70 times 2 or 70 into 2? 70 mal 2 ist gleich 140. 70 mal 2 ist gleich 140. Next question. Wie viel ist 9 durch 3? Wie viel ist 9 durch 3? How much is 9 divided by 3? 9 durch 3 ist gleich 3. 9 durch 3 is gleich 3. You can also try few more examples by yourself. Have it as a game among your friends. Play around the numbers like tambola. Have some simple basic calculations to improve your mathematical skills, to improve the numbers, the number pronunciation in German. So let's go ahead. For decimal numbers called as Decimalzahlen, German uses a comma, thus comma, whereas English uses a decimal point. For example, in English, we say 0.222. In German, it is spoken as 0,222. Likewise, 4.01 in English is spoken as 4,01. Now the Bruchzahl or the decimals, the fractions, and the Zähler-Nenner, the denominator. So half is called as ein halb. 1/3 is called as ein Drittel. Ein Drittel. 1/4 is called as ein Viertel. Ein Viertel. 1/5 is ein Fünftel. Ein Fünftel. 1/10 is ein Zehntel. Ein Zehntel. 1/20 is ein Zwanzigstel. Ein Zwanzigstel. 1/100 is ein Hundertstel. Ein Hundertstel. 1/1000 is ein Tausendstel. Ein Tausendstel. So friends, now you have finished learning the numbers in German and you have already done some simple calculations. So I suggest form a group and start learning the numbers by playing simple tambola in German, or when you refer your textbooks, don't call out the page numbers in English. Start calling out the numbers in German. That is one of the best practices to learn the numbers in German. And also raise questions to each other, ask questions, simple additions, subtractions, divisions, and then get the answers in German. So have fun with numbers, enjoy and happy learning.